Man, can't believe I got paint all over my brand new shoes. Invisible paint at that. Oh well. Speaking of paint on shoes, today we're drawing Pete the Cat. So, as always, you're gonna need a pencil, paper, and black line marker. And then today for colors, we'll be using blue, yellow, red, and green. I'd stay away from the invisible paint though. I think I broke my lamp.
Hello and happy Monday. Today we're drawing Pete the Cat. Pete's going to be on the middle of our paper with his head starting towards the top, working our way down to his sneakers at the bottom. In order to create Pete's head, we're going to make a curved line on the top of our page. This line is going to be the top of his head, so we're going to make sure it goes wide enough so that we can put some eyes and other facial features under it. Down at the middle, if we go to the middle of this line and go straight down, that's going to be where our chin is going to be. Next, we're going to bring both ends of that top line down to that dot. This is going to give us the shape of Pete's head. Toward the top of each corner, we're going to go straight up. And then we're going to bring it in at an angle, making our ears. Now, directly above that point, we're going to make an upside down triangle to create Pete's nose. And in between those ears and nose, we're going to make some eyes. First, I'm going to curve a top line just like we did for the top of our head. This time, instead of pointing the bottom, we're going to curve the bottom too, making two football-shaped eyes. Inside both of those eyes, we're going to create two half circles. One, and it's going to touch the top of your football shape, and then another one inside of it. Same on our other side. One half circle, and then another one inside of it. Last but not least, for our facial features, we're going to give us some whiskers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each cheek. Now, if we think about how wide our nose is, we make a straight line coming down off of each side. That's going to be Pete's neck. At the bottom of that neck, we're going to make the letter M. We're going to go up, and down. This M we made is going to be the collar of Pete's jacket. At the bottom of the sides of your M, we're going to come in. We're going to bring a line back up. And look at that. We made a collar to a jacket. Coming down off of the sides of our collar, we're going to go down and out as an angle, close to the bottom of our paper. When we get close to the bottom, we're going to go straight across. Now, down at the bottom of our paper, we're going to make two lines. These are going to be our front legs. And at the bottom of both of those lines, we're going to make two rectangles. This is our jacket kind of being cuffed up before we get to our feet. Now, for Pete's jacket to close, he's going to have 4 special buttons. So we're going to draw those buttons first. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put a line going in between those buttons. Now, at the bottom of these two rectangles, we're going to make Pete's front feet. On the inside of the body, we'll make two lines coming straight down. But on the outside, we're going to make a nice long oval shape. Give us those cool sneaker feet. In between these two feet, we're going to do a curved line across to create Pete's belly. Now, we got these cool sneakers, they need some details. I'm going to put a line across the bottom of my shoe to make Pete's soles the plastic part of his shoe that keeps his feet safe. And then I'm going to put a line towards the front of my shoe that curves with the front of the oval. In between the two lines, the top and that line we just wrote, we're just going to make some straight lines that will become Pete's shoelaces. Now, we've got our eyes, ears, nose, whiskers, jacket, buttons, feet. What's another thing that a cat needs? I know, a tail. So, from behind one of our feet on one of our sides, we're going to go out and curve up. And we'll follow that line, tracing it back down to the body, and create a tail. Now, last but not least, on my 4 buttons here, I'm going to make 4 small circles inside of each of my buttons. And now I am going to ink my picture. Now we have all of our details set the way that we want them. To finalize our picture, we're going over it with a black marker. We'll keep the shapes that we want. So as you notice, as I outline Pete's head, I make it all one shape. I don't let those triangle ears be separate. They're all part of the same silhouette of Pete's head. Our whiskers, our nose, our eyes. When I go to fill in Pete's eyes, I'm going to color the outer ring black, leaving the inner ring in the middle white to give a sense of reflective light. Our neck, my M shape for my collar. Do all my buttons in my line first here. And more. Here we go. Oop, make sure that liner goes all the way down to the tummy. Got our arms. Our legs, I should say. And our tail. Stop with our shoes here. And once have these inked, what is going to come next, guys? When we have all of our final lines, you guessed it, after we're done with the inking, we color it. Here we go. Alright guys, Pete is all done. Now anytime we take our time to do an amazing job like this, we always sign our work. I'm so proud of all your hard work today, guys. You made some awesome Pete the Cat.
Alright guys, we're all done drawing Pete the Cat today. I hope you had a great time drawing with me, and I can't wait to see what awesome backgrounds you come up with. Until next time, be kind and creative. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.